AIDS clash over tainted cars. The 4th of September 2025. Spread the love. By a correspondent. Harare, confusion has gripped motorists after a public spat erupted between senior government officials over the purported ban on tinted vehicle windows. On Tuesday, Tafa Dzemudanga, secretary in the Office of the President and Cabinet OPC, and head of the Central Intelligence Organization, CIO, announced that tinted windows on vehicles were now prohibited, citing security and safety concerns. But within hours, presidential spokesperson George Charamba flatly dismissed the statement, declaring it unauthorized and without legal effect. Posting under his X handle Donzamusaro007, Charamba wrote, "Kindly note, there is no basis in fact or law to the accompanying announcement attributed to Secretary Mugudi. Kindly ignore this miscommunication from an unauthorized office and officer." The clash between the two aides has raised questions about coordination in the Office of the President, with citizens left uncertain on whether tinted windows are banned or not. As of Wednesday, government has not issued a formal clarification, leaving the status of the alleged ban in limbo. Analysts say the dispute exposes serious communication breakdowns within President Emerson Mnangagwa's inner circle, with policy pronouncements increasingly being contradicted or reversed in public.